This is GBP August 15th, 2025. Yeah, 15th of August 2025. Yesterday we were anticipating buys if we had a breakout of this high, right? Something like this. If we had something like this, breakout inducement, then we had something like this to take the buys, right? We're anticipating that, but likewise, we're still anticipating this drop, right? Something like this, then we go down, right? So this right here, we had a sweep of Asian highs, right? Then we dropped, right? So GU might be looking to go lower, right? We've taken out internal range, we've come back down into this breaker right here. So we might just be ready to continue the buys, or we might be looking to go deeper for the sales, right? So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Yesterday I didn't really see any trade opportunities because I wasn't on the chart. So but let's see what happens. Then real day, fresh perspective. So let's go. Let's clean up everything, start from the scratch again. Yeah, so from the daily, what do we have? So from the daily, basically we're just keeping up with order flow. Yeah, we took out the internal range. Liquidity, we still know that our overall target is to fill up this gap here, right? So we'll be targeting this area of liquidity here. So our pool of liquidity is still all the way to that high, right? Like that's where we know we're trading up into. Right, so what did price do? Price easily came into this level here, this hidden base. Sorry. Price came into this hidden base. And so with that, so price came to this hidden base and we are getting a rejection of that base. And we're getting a rejection of that base, which makes the base valid in a way. It means there are orders, there are pending orders there. Right, so which is sorry. Set up business. So the hidden base making it what valid, yeah. So price has tapped into that. We're getting all of this push up. Yeah, so what do we have? We have mitigation. The only place that has not yet been mitigated is this level right here. And it left us an imbalance, which is what we'd like to see. So this is the only point that hasn't yet been mitigated. So we have this as an interesting level to take a trade from. Right. So yeah, internal range liquidity has been taken. Internal range liquidity has been taken. So basically, we just want to do what target external range liquidity, which is right up here. Right. So we have that target, and we still have all the way up here as our major target. Right. So what can price do? Price could do something like this easily. Right. Easily, price could come down, sweep, then push higher. Right. Price can do that. Price could still just do this and go. Right. So remember, we're just trying to react to whatever price shows. We're not trying to predict or do any fancy stuff like that. Yeah, following the current price action, this is my POI. That's what I'm very, very interested in to take a trade from. Alright, and apparently that lines up perfectly, right? Lines up perfectly with this breaker here, and we have a demand in there, right? We're following the mitigations, mitigated, right? And look at this perfection, right? Frankfurt created us an inducement, right? Frankfurt has created us what? An inducement. liquidity. And so with Frankfurt doing this, yeah, now we can be much more confident. And we'll just refine this, right? We'll refine this, taking our trade from this other block here, right? So GU is fairly easy today. GU is easy today. So yeah, G is quite easy today. No too much stress, right? So we'll be using Frankfurt low as what? As liquidity, using this here as a continuation, in as much as we haven't really like broken this high here, but just taking this in anticipation of that high is going to be broken, right? So what else again do we have as a confluence for us? We have what? That POI is typically at 50% of the Asian range, so that still works again in our favor. mm, Pretty much that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so that's it. That's where I'm taking this trade from. So for GU, I have this here. Right, so mind you, please do not take anything I post here as financial advice. Okay, please don't take anything I post here as financial advice. Yeah. So I'll be using 6.5 stops, 6.5 pip stops. Targeting what's the entire external range liquidity. Right, yeah, so this is my trade for the day. My trade for the day, right? 8 hour. Yes, so this is my GU for the day. That's it, guys. Nothing more. I don't need to go down to the 5 minutes to do anything else. That would be it. Nothing more.